Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 7 for CBSE Board, chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progression. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some more example from exercise 5.2, question number 13. Okay. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay, now these type of examples are important because you have to prepare AP. Solution: 3-digit numbers divisible by 7 are, so 3-digit number means start from what? 100. 100 is 3 digits first number. So 3 digits numbers divisible by 7 are 105, 112, 119 and so on, and last term is 994. Okay, so above list of number from AP with A is equal to 105 and D is equal to 7 and AN is equal to 994. Okay, now AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, and therefore 994 is equal to 105 plus N minus 1 into 7 is equal to 105 plus 7N minus 7 is equal to 7N plus 98, and therefore 7N is equal to 994 minus 98 is equal to 896, and therefore N is equal to 896 upon 7 is equal to 128, and hence there are 128 3 digits numbers which are divisible by 7. Okay. Question number 14. How many multiple of 4 lie between 10 to 250? So first you write down all multiples of what 4 lie between 10 and 250. Solution: the numbers multiples of 4 lie between 10 to 250 are 12. Okay, so 10 to 1, 250. So first number is what? 12, 16, 20 and so on, and last number is 250 is not divisible by 4. So first find one, this last number, and that last number is 248. Okay. Now above list of number from an AP with A is equal to 12 and D is equal to 4 and AN is equal to 248, and therefore now AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, and therefore 248 is equal to 12 plus N minus 1 into 4 is equal to 12 plus 4N minus 4 is equal to 4N plus 8, and therefore 4N is equal to 248 minus 8 is equal to 240, and therefore N is equal to 240 upon 4 is equal to 60, and hence there are 60 numbers multiple of 4 lie between 10 to 250. Okay. Question number 15. For what value of N are the nth term of two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 equal? Okay. Now try to understand solution. Given APs are 63, 65, 67, 3, 10, 17. So for this AP, A is equal to 63 and D is equal to 2, and for this AP, A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 7. Okay, so what is the question? For what value of n are the nth term of two APs are equal? Okay, then nth term of first AP is equal to 63 plus n minus 1 into d means 2, and nth term of second AP is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. Let both terms are equal. So this and this is equal, and find what n. And therefore 63 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. And therefore 2n plus 61 is equal to 7n minus 4. And therefore this n you transfer there, so 7n minus 2, that is 5n, is equal to this you transfer here, so 65, and therefore n is equal to 13, and hence for n is equal to 13, the nth term of both APs are equal. Okay. Question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Okay, now read this condition properly and write what is your equation. Solution. In the given AP, third term A3 is equal to 16 and A3 is equal to A plus 2D, and therefore A plus 2D is equal to 16, equation number 1. And now the condition is given, 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So 7th term, that is A7, is equal to A5 plus 12. So A7 is equal to A plus 6D is equal to A plus 4D plus 12, and therefore 6D minus 4D, this A and this A get cancelled. 6D minus 4D is equal to 12, and therefore 2D is equal to 12 and D is equal to 6. Substituting D is equal to 6 in equation number 1, A plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16, and therefore A is equal to 4, and now you can write required AP by means of A and D, and hence required AP is 4, 10, 16, 22, 28 and so on. Okay. Question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 dash 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 and last term 253 given. So this question is important. Solution. Method number 1. I will give you two methods. The method number 1. In AP, A is equal to 3, D is equal to 5, AN is equal to 253. Now AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and therefore 253 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 3 plus 5n minus 5, and therefore 253 is equal to 5n minus 2, and therefore 5n is equal to 255 and n is equal to 51. Now there are 51 terms in AP, and therefore 20 term from the last term is 51 minus 20 plus 1. So that is equal to 31 plus 1 and the 32th term. Okay. So then you find 32 term. So A32 is equal to A plus 31D is equal to 3 plus 31 into 5. So 3 plus 155 is equal to 158, and hence 20th term from the last term is 158. This is first method. I will explain you second method in next lecture. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.